In today's video, we're going to talk about email marketing for beginners in 2020. Coming up. So in several of my videos, I talk about email marketing as the core of your online business. This is how you're going to be able to promote and sell your products easier because you have rapport with subscribers to your mailing list. So what we're going to talk about here to get started with is the actual email service provider. Now, there's several out there. There's ConvertKit, MailChimp, Aweber, ActiveCampaign, MailerLite. I mean, there's a ton of them, but most of these are on a subscription basis. So if you're watching this video, right now there's a promotion with AppSumo. Now, this promotion is amazing because MailPoet has a fantastic promotion. Now, let me just show you quickly what it is. So over here we have MailPoet, and if you want to just get started, like just getting started from the beginning, you want to use MailPoet because this is a basic email service provider, and it doesn't have all the bells and whistles, and it's very, very easy to use. So this is where I'll get started because the rest of them, they do charge quite a bit of money once you get started. But the reason why I'm talking about MailPoet here is because the offer they have gives you unlimited websites. So you can install unlimited websites with this $49 one-off payment. It is unlimited emails, unlimited websites, and for each website you get 5,000 subscribers. So as you can see here, you have 1,000 to start with, but you know what? 1,000 is not enough because as you grow your business, it's going to get higher and higher. And the moment you start growing, you see that 1,250 is going to start costing you 15 euros. I know they have the price in US dollars, but that's what's going to be the monthly cost. And as soon as you increase that to 1,500, as you can see here, the price is getting higher and higher. So this 20 euro, which is about 20 pounds here in the UK, can start to accumulate every month as you're trying to grow your business. And to be honest with you, when you build your mailing list, you're not going to make a lot of money right in the beginning because your email list is going to grow very, 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 very slow. So this cost here can be actually sorted out by getting this offer here where you just pay $49, and then for each website you do, you get 5,000 subscribers. And for these 5,000, you can have this on unlimited websites, you can send unlimited emails, and you have pretty much full access to this. Now, let's talk about the strategy and what you need to do in order for you to really make this in 2020. So first of all, you want to create a blog. Now, the blog is going to be your foundation. This is going to be pretty much the entity that you own. This is where your content sits on, and this is where you have your opt-in email. So let me show you quickly here how you would set up a page which has email opt-in. So here's a quick page that I created using Divi, and this is actually connected to our MailPoet. So this page here is very important because this is how you get to grow your mailing list. So you may be asking, all right, so once we have this all set up, you have a website, chances are you won't be getting a lot of traffic anyways because it takes a while for your website to start ranking, and this is what a lot of these gurus don't tell you. A brand new blog will take a very long time for you to even start ranking on social media or on Google. So you would need to find a way to create content that is attracted to your actual website. So what you do, or in fact what I do, is I create YouTube videos, and then what I do is in those YouTube videos I mention something like a giveaway, and for them to get the giveaway they need to go onto my website. And this is why I talk about the blog as being your foundation. So this is your home, this is your hub, this is where people come. And then when they land here, they take a look at your promotion, and this is where they add their first name, email address, subscribe, and then they're added onto the list. Now, here's the thing. When you send people to your website, you need to give away something of value. Now, what really grew my mailing list was my free WordPress course. So I was giving away my WordPress course for free. So when people watch my videos on the tips that I make, I do a call to action in that video and say, hey, you know what? If you want to learn how to design websites, if you're brand new, if you go to this link here, and I mentioned the link, it's in the video description below, they go onto the website and sign up for that course for free. Now, here's the thing. It is very important. Now, what has been working for me out there and what I've heard and seen working is when you have a blog, like let's say, for example, like in this case, this is it's a restaurant website. So let's take a look here so I can show you. So this is a restaurant website. So if you're a freelance designer, what you could do is you could, transform this website into a fully functioning marketing engine. So for this type of website, what you could do is you can have promotions where you maybe give away a 10% discount for the month for anyone that comes in to buy a meal at that restaurant. So that starts to increase your mailing list. And that is something of value because if your restaurant is new and you want to get a lot of people to come and see the place, doing that promotion is going to help you get more people to come to that restaurant. And giving them that 10% discount is also fantastic because who doesn't want a discount? So that's how you start growing your mailing list. So you may be thinking, all right, so once I've got people on my mailing list, what else can I do? Here's the thing. You can run special offers like in those times where, let's say, your restaurant is running, the business is low, you can send out emails now to that mailing list and do whatever promotion that you need to do to get people back into the shop, into the restaurant. So this is how you use email marketing. Now, I'm using the example of a restaurant here, but you can use this for pretty much anything. So you could have maybe a website where, like in my case, I do a lot of tutorials and Divi, WordPress, and so on. I can build my list by, say, giving a course for free. Now, in order for me to make money with that, I need to promote other things that are that relate to what my website is about or what that course is about. So for example, free WordPress course, something that relates to that is maybe an SEO course. So I could sell that at a discount. So let's say the normal price on my website could be maybe $247. To people on my mailing list, I could sell it for much less than that, maybe 50% discount. So whenever I need to do a promotion, I will go to my mailing list and say, hey guys, you know what? I have a promotion, one-time offer. It's going to cost you X amount, 50% discount. And because this course or this product that I'm selling relates to what they signed up for, chances are they're going to take you up on the offer. So this is how the email marketing actually works. Now, a lot of people out there will talk about, build your mailing list, it's easy, blah, blah, blah. They don't actually tell you about how to bring the visitors onto your website. And like I said, for me, this is the strategy that works in 2020. So videos is a big deal. YouTube especially is huge. It's the second largest search engine. And if you look for the right keywords, your videos will be ranking on the main page of Google. So you make sure you go for the right keywords. And I have a video on how to choose topics or for videos that you need to do. Go and watch that. I'll also link it in the video description below so you can check it out. It's using a tool called TubeBuddy. So this is how you do email marketing in 2020. Make sure you have a website and you also need an email service provider. And as I mentioned, this one here, MailPoet, it has a fantastic discount. So take advantage of that before it goes away. It's on AppSumo. Thirdly, as I mentioned, you need to create the content that gets people to your website. So when you create videos or you create articles, by the way, articles are very hard to rank. I've tried that, very difficult to be honest. I don't even focus on SEO. I just do my videos on YouTube and that's how I get people to come onto my website. Now, I'm going to be doing some real life examples here. Yesterday or in the previous video, I did a video where I signed up for Gravity Form's affiliate link. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to be progressing with that. So I can show you exactly how you can start to gain success with your mailing list and with affiliate marketing. All right, so that's what I have for you in today's video. If you find this useful, please give me a thumbs up. And also don't forget to hit the subscribe button. By doing that, you'll be notified every time I release new videos. Until next time, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.